In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix the problem. The setup file is not found in game folder. To fix it, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Game has added to this list, and then go back to virus and threat protection and select this protection history. Threat quarantine, click on the drop down and select yes option. As you can see, setup file is in here. Select action and select restore option and select yes. Then go back to the same location. As you can see, setup is in here. Now you can open the setup. Check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and install the game. By following this video, you will avoid DLL missing error or any kind of game files missing error. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.